Hari Om. Here we consider the application of electrostatic potential. The cases we want to find the potential due to an electric dipole at a point. So here I considered an electric dipole, a very short dipole with a negative charge at A and positive charge at B. And the distance R1 is there from B and R2 is there from A. And from the middle of the dipole to the point X, the distance is taken as R as before. Now, potential at point X can be found out using superposition principle. As we studied superposition principle earlier, we apply it directly over here. That is, V at that point due to the dipole is equal to potential at that point due to the charge at B plus potential at that point due to charge at A. That is VB plus VN. VB equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into plus Q by R1 and VA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into negative Q divided by R2. As the charges are negative small q and positive small q, we consider. And solving, we get one is positive potential and the other is negative potential. And we solve it and come to this particular point that V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q into R2 minus R1 by R1 into R2. Now we go for a small approximation. The dipole is very short, so that the distance Bx is equal to distance Cx. So that R2 minus R1 can be taken as the distance AC, that is this very small part. And that distance AC can be equal to what? 2a cos theta from the triangle ACB. And also this angle theta and this angle theta are equal because this is very short dipole. And also R1 into R2 is approximately equal to R square because the distance is almost the same. Substituting both into the equation, we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q into 2a cos theta by R square and V equal to V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into P cos theta by R square. This is the formula for potential due to an electric dipole at point X as shown below. Okay. Now, here we applied superposition principle and that can be taken as potential due to a collection of charges at a point will be the algebraic sum of the potential due to the individual charges. Now, based on the above discussion, we can have some assignments that are: what is the value of potential at points on the axial line of the dipole? 1 near to the positive charge and 2 near to the negative charge. And the second assignment is that determine the value of the potential at a point on the equatorial line of the dipole. Now here, actually I want you people to analyze the answer and explain your answers based on physics. Because you will be getting the answers based on your mathematical equation, but you must find out the physics behind it. Okay? That's all for now. Hari Om.